With the help of conditional formatting, we will find out, we will highlight the cells which contains the value greater than or less than or in between equals to, text that contains something, a date occurring, and duplicate values. So all these functions we will learn in this video. So how to do this? Let's proceed. So I have put some numbers over here. Let's select all these numbers, then go under home tab. There is conditional formatting. Click here, go to here, move the cursor here, highlight cells rules. So you need to create some rules over here. Suppose greater than. So if you click here, then you can create one rule here. What is that? Format cells that are greater than something. Suppose that are greater than 50. I want to find out the values, the numbers which are greater than 50, and in the right hand side you can assign the color. Here by default it is coming like this, but you can change the color also like this. So yellow fill with dark yellow text or green fill with dark yellow text. You can notice the changes over here. The color is changing also. Okay, or the red text. So anything you can do. Okay. Now click OK. Now you can see these are the values. I have set one rule here, that find out the numbers, tell me the numbers of which are greater than 50. So I have set the rule over here. So these are the numbers which are greater than 50. This 48 is less than 50, that's why it is not highlighted here. 36 also not highlighted. So whatever greater than 50, it is here. You can change the rules by changing the value. Instead of 50, you can write any other number also. Okay, now let's select again. If you want to clear this rule, what to do? Simply come here, clear rules, and clear rules from selected cells or clear rules from the entire set. So if you select from entire set, whatever rules are applied in this set, in this entire set, those will be cleared. But I don't want to do that. I want to clear the cells from the selected. I want to clear the rules from selected cells. Click here. Now the rule is removed. That rule is cleared. Again, let's select those numbers here. Go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules and less than. Suppose less than 50. Okay, and highlight with the text as it is. Click OK. So this time you can see the cells only highlighted which are less than 50. Okay, so we have set another rule over here. We can clear this rule also. Now go to conditional formatting. Here in between two numbers, you can select between two numbers. Suppose between 30 and 50, and highlight the text. Okay, so between 30 and 50 there are only two numbers here, 48 and 36. Okay, again clear rules. For the learning purposes only I am creating rules, and again I am clearing the rules. Okay, next is coming equal to. Suppose equal to 98. I want to find out equal to 98. So equal to 98. So it will find out all all the numbers which are equal to this 98. Okay, again clear and go to conditional formatting. Then text that contains, okay, text. So this time I will select some text. So I have written some text over here, so I will select this one, and here text that contains, suppose here Shambit or like Pico. Okay, now you can see only this Pico cell is selected. Okay, let's clear this rule. Okay, now we will see the date. So let's select this date. I have put some date here. Let's select this date, go to conditional formatting, and here a date occurring yesterday or the next month, last month. Okay, let's change the let's change the date here, equals to date 23. Okay, so this date I have changed. Suppose these are the dates here. Let's select all the dates. Then next conditional formatting, highlight cell, and a date occurring, suppose last month. Okay, so you can see today's date is 27th March 2023. So last month, this is 21st February 2023. So it has highlighted. So likewise, is there any, okay, duplicate values. So now we will find out the duplicate values over here. So let's select this text, go to conditional formatting, highlight text, and then go to duplicate values. It will find out the duplicate value automatically. Only thing you can change the color again. Okay, click OK. Now you can see this 56 is duplicated thrice, here, then here, and then here. So all these duplicate values are highlighted. So in this way we can set rules using the conditional formatting function, and we can highlight the cells which is greater than, or less than, in between, equal to, or text that contains a date occurring, and duplicate values.